New Zealand permanent residency, overall the 6 points required.
Okay.
6 points required. Okay.
Got it.
By completing master's itself, master's degree in New Zealand, they will get 5 points straight away by doing nothing. After 24 months, after the landing in New Zealand, she filed a permanent residency. They'll give you a proper, decent refusal letter to all the students who apply for a New Zealand student visa.
Okay.
80%. I can say that more than 80% reason for New Zealand declining visa is a financials.
Hello students, today we are going to talk to Mr. Nagendar Reddy. Today we are going to discuss and understand a lot about New Zealand. So first of all, thank you Nagendra.
Thank you, Aman.
Thank you for coming here and always pleasure to meet you. I know a few days back we did a podcast where you invited me to talk about loan.
Yes.
This is my payback.
Thank you very much, Aman. Thanks very much.
Right. Nagendra, as I mentioned, New Zealand is a country which I have been hearing from my childhood, right? In fact, the country which I look forward to go visit as a tourist. And we have started GyanDhan. I have been hearing New Zealand from back in 2014-15 itself. Students going there. In fact, they've done a lot of loans as well for New Zealand in the past. But somehow in last one decade, New Zealand back in 2015 to 18-19, it was going good, increasing. But then post-COVID, it never picked up again. In COVID, the number went down, the number of students and the interest of the students. And then it's slowly picking up now.
Yes.
Right. So, what has happened recently in New Zealand? Like, can you explain this entire trend? Why it was picking up? Why students were going? What happened to the students who went to New Zealand in that era of 2013, 14, 15 to 2019? Then after COVID, what happened during COVID? And now what is happening today, as of today in New Zealand?
Okay. So, when we started our career with the New Zealand, Aman, back in 2012, the students were very much interested in New Zealand just because of their policies of the government and qualifications by the New Zealand universities and post-study work rights and especially career opportunities were very good in 2012, 13 and 14 time. So we really did a good numbers on that particular those years and opportunities were really high. So after that particular 3 years from 2015 onwards, the New Zealand government has made a few policy changes. And in terms of an education and career perspective, they are slowly declining the application for Indian applications. Not only for an Indian applications, they have
from 2015.
2015 that I'm talking about. Slowly they have decreasing the momentum in like in student case. Because overnight we can't build the infrastructure and all right. So back in then and again 2019-20 was really good. All the polytechnics and universities were picking good. And so 19-20 was really good. Once after the pandemic, really now the international education was really making very attractive for an international student just because of the policy changes.
Right.
And New Zealand is the last country they have opened its borders. So after all countries, so that is the reason, and the students was really scared because of their career prospects and all. But now this government has really looking forward to encourage the students to study there. And
so how many students go to New Zealand every year? Total from India?
From India, it's somewhere around 10,000 students.
10,000 students.
10,000 plus students over the last year. But now more than 45% has been increased already in this year.
In terms of the student interest?
Students' interest.
45%?
45% has been already increased.
Is it because the other countries like UK, US are not doing good and that's why the students are looking for the alternative options and the New Zealand is coming out at the right time, right spot?
Yes, of course, for somewhat extent it is also true, but at the same time New Zealand offers a blend of quality education and a prominent post-study work visa offer 3 years for master's students.
So for masters?
For master's students.
So if I go do masters in New Zealand, I get 3 years?
3 years of post-study work visa for bachelor students and masters, both.
Both. What if I don't get a job? Even in that case, I can stay in there for 3 years?
3 years. And, if you are, anyhow, if you don't get a job in that particular 3 years, and you can extend your work visa, where you are working with the current employer.
So if I get a student visa, both for bachelor's and for master's, I have 3 year stay option.
Stay option. Yeah, stay back option.
Irrespective of I'm getting the right job or not, I can stay there.
You can stay there.
Then when I get PR in New Zealand.
So as as I'm not a licensed immigration advisor, I'm not authorized to talk about this. But as per the information which is available on Immigration New Zealand website, I'll tell you, Aman.
Sure.
So permanent residency pathway. So to get New Zealand permanent residency, overall the 6 points required.
Okay.
6 points required. Okay.
Got it.
By completing master's degree in New Zealand, they will get 5 points straight away by doing nothing.
Okay, just you complete. What about bachelor's?
I mean, no, the bachelor's degree of only 5 points.
Bachelor degree
is only of 5 points.
Master is also 5 points.
Master is also 5 points and bachelor is also 5 points.
So if you do either bachelor's or master's.
I'm sorry. Bachelor's is of a 4.
It's a 4. Okay. So I do bachelor's, it is 4.
Yeah.
If I do master, it is 5.
It is 5. Okay. 5 points straight away you will get it. And you are shortage of only 1 point, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have a 3 years in your hand
mm-hmm.
as a post-study work visa.
Okay.
In these 36 months, any 12 months of work experience is equals to 1 point.
Combined or is it like 3 months?
Continuous.
So then I get 6 points.
I mean 1 point. So
1 point.
But combined, if you are eligible for residency, then you can submit your expression of interest. Then
then I get PR.
Then you will get a residency.
So usually when students do their masters and let's say if they get a job there, is it easy to get a PR in New Zealand?
No, easily. I mean, it's always depends on the job. I have one case, Aman, I'll share with you. I mean, after the pandemic, I have recruited one student on an institution. It's only a 12 months program, 12 months master's program.
Yeah.
Irrespective of the duration of the program, they will get 3 years of post-study work visa. So in a campus placement, she got a job. She got a contract for 5 years in an IT company.
Got it.
After 24 months, after the landing in New Zealand, she filed a permanent residency. This will be one country, one proper English-speaking country, they have this much of lenience with all this.
Got it. So saying that if you go for master's or bachelor's in New Zealand, post that if you're able to work for 12 months, it is easy for you to get the PR.
Yeah.
Got it. What about, I also heard New Zealand is famous for diplomas as well.
Yeah.
I remember when I specifically used to talk to students for education loans, I used to get a lot of students with different levels of diploma. What is that? How many diplomas are there in New Zealand?
Their education system is, they have decided in qualifications wise, like level 5, level 6, and level 7, and level 8, and level 9.
So level 5 to level 9.
Level 5 to level 9. Okay. After
what are these levels?
These level 5, level 6 programs are even undergraduate level.
Like, is it a degree?
Is it a degree? Yeah, diploma degree. That's it. It's a proper diploma.
Diploma, not degree.
It's a proper diploma.
Diploma.
It's not a degree.
So, which is level 8, level 9?
No. Level 7
to 9.
Level 7 is a graduate diploma. Okay. Level 8 is a postgraduate diploma. Level 9 is a master's degree.
Okay.
Level 7 is a graduate
degree. Level 8 is postgraduate diploma.
Postgraduate.
And level 9 is master degree. So, where comes the bachelor's?
Bachelor's are separate.
अच्छा वो इस लेवल में काउंट नहीं होगा.
No, नहीं.
So usually diploma people do after bachelor's?
Yeah, after the completion of their graduation in India, they can choose any one of these.
अच्छा. So then what is level 5, level 6?
Level 5, level 6 comes under undergraduate.
As in
I mean it's like intermediate level program and proper these kind of cookery programs or all vocational programs. These all some programs they comes under the level 5, level 6.
Okay. So usually students like you mentioned 10,000 students go to New Zealand. How many students go for masters, which is level 9?
Yeah.
How many students go for diploma, which is level 7, level 8? And how many students go for level 5, level 6? Like just want to understand.
Just for majority, 70% of the students will go for a straight masters.
Okay. 70%?
70% they'll go for a straight masters. Okay. Now, and the rest of the portion, even New Zealand they have proper 3 years of bachelor's degree as well. The rest of the portion, they'll go for this one as well.
Okay.
If a student has completed a bachelor's degree in India, he has 3 options.
Okay.
Either he can go for level 7.
Okay.
Either he can go for level 8.
Okay.
Or he can go for level 9.
Got it.
Okay.
So somebody who has done bachelor's from India.
Yeah, from India, then, he has 3 options.
Level 7, level 8, level 9.
Yeah, these are all the higher programs that he may choose.
Graduate diploma, postgraduate diploma, and master degree.
Master's degree.
What about somebody who has just done 12th and now going?
They have to take a proper 3 years bachelor's.
They can't go. So who go for level 5, 6?
They can go for level 5, 6. You know, they can go if they completed 12th, they can go for level 5 and level 6.
Got it. So after 12th, you can go to level 5, level 6, or you can go for bachelor's, proper bachelor's.
Yeah, proper bachelor's.
Or if you're done bachelor's in India, then you go for level 7, level 8,
level 9.
Level 9. Level 9 is the master degree itself.
Yes.
Level 7, level 8 is the graduate diploma and postgraduate diploma.
Postgraduate diploma.
Okay. And you are saying 70% goes for level 7, level 8, level 9.
I'll tell you the reason why.
Right. Okay.
Because level 7 doesn't offer any post-study work visa.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Until unless the program is under the green list. Okay. If the program is under the green list and you are choosing level 7, that means even though they'll get only occupation specific post-study work visa. Other than that, level 7 degree doesn't offer any post-study work visa.
Got it. What about level 8?
Level 8 is only a mirror post-study work visa.
What is mirror?
Mirror post-study work visa means if the duration of the course is 1 year, you will get 1 year PSW.
Okay. Got it.
If the program duration is 1.5 years, you will get 1.5.
So then it doesn't make sense directly. People will go for level 9.
Go for level 9, right? Even, even English language requirements, Aman, for the level 7, it's an IL 6. Level 8 and level 9, both IL 6.5 with nothing less than 6.
Okay. So who is then, and then bachelor's may, what is the stay back options? Level 5, level 6?
I mean, they have to continue their course. Otherwise, they have to look for a work opportunity.
Okay.
If they get a proper job, again, they need to apply for a AEWA visa. I mean, which they call as a work visa.
Okay. But if they get a job, even after level 5, level 6, they can apply for a work visa.
Work visa. They have to apply for a work visa.
Got it. Makes sense. So you are saying diploma people usually are going for master's degree only, 70% after doing their bachelor's from India, and then 30% are going for bachelor degree and diploma. Level 5, level 6, level 5, level 6 diploma.
Now the trend has been increasing, Aman. When it comes to 2016 and 17 terms, the majority of the people will go for only of a master's. But currently now the people are interested for a bachelor's as well because of the post-study work visa, the flexibility of options and all.
Got it. So I've heard that New Zealand visa success rate is very low. In fact, in the last 3-4 years, it is as low as 20%.
Yeah.
So 1 out of 5 students is going to get a New Zealand visa. So it's a very risky bet, right? Because I know I have to give IELTS, I have to, apply.
Yeah.
And then only 1 out of 5 person is getting the visa. Then the chance, why will I take such a risk?
Yeah.
I'm sure other countries have better visa rate success. Many countries in Europe, even US even today US has a better visa success rate than this.
Aman, one thing. So when you observe the pattern of what is the reason for a declining visa,
okay,
they can't give you a simple 2114B like US said. They don't give. They'll give you a proper decent refusal letter to all the students who apply for a New Zealand student visa.
Okay,
80%. I can say that more than 80% reason for New Zealand declining visa is a financials.
Okay, that's where we come in. Okay.
Financials. They are very, very much strong enough, and the financial scrutiny was very tough for New Zealand. Not only the universities that you choose, not only the program that you may select, which will lead to the brighter career prospects. At the same time, they'll give you higher importance. What are the financials that you have? How you are paying your tuition fees and living expenses.
Okay.
This is what the most important thing. So we need to show to the Immigration New Zealand tuition fees plus at 20,000 New Zealand dollars per year.
Okay,
that we need to show.
So apart from tuition fee, I need to show 20,000
New Zealand dollars living expenses.
And what is the New Zealand dollar to rupee?
53 somewhere.
So I need to show 10 lakh rupees as a living expenses for per year.
Okay.
Apart from tuition fee.
Say for example, if the course tuition fees would be $40,000, you need to show 40,000 plus 20,000. So
$60,000.
Totals you need to show $60,000. That means 30 lakhs.
Okay.
30 lakhs you need to show for it.
And how do students show this?
Okay, they have a different options that are available.
Okay.
Now that I'm coming to this point, Immigration New Zealand has made a bigger move in this aspect just recently. I'll share with you later on this.
Okay.
If the student has selected education loan, okay,
education loan.
Education loan, okay, that the education loan should be on property based.
Acha. Okay.
Non-collateral loans straight away not accepted.
Got it.
And non-bankings, I mean NBFCs, are straight away not accepted.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. If you approach a public bank or a nationalized bank, okay.
Private banks are accepted, right?
Nationalized. Public, private, and nationalized.
ICICI, IDFC, like all these are private banks.
Yeah.
SBI, PNB, UBI, these are public banks.
Public banks. They'll accept.
Banks are acceptable.
All banks are. Cooperative banks are removed.
Acha.
Cooperative banks and NBFCs were removed.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So you selected, take example, you selected as a public bank. Even then, your loan should be on collateral based.
Got it.
And that property belongs to your own parents.
Oh.
So you cannot include your uncle's property or no, either from your mother or a father or your own siblings. Okay, this is a one criteria they have.
Okay.
And another one, they will assess the repayment capacity as well.
Okay, what is
how your family is getting income is also most important.
Okay. वो तो बैंक कर देगा ना, मतलब bank when evaluating.
Yes, of course. Before the release the bank evaluate everything. But Immigration New Zealand have their own way of assessment of the educational loan, how the student got a loan.
Got it. So they will also evaluate.
They will also
whether the parents will be able to repay the loan or not.
Yes,
but
exactly.
Usually in India, these students look for loan with morat, where they don't have to pay anything while they study.
Yeah.
Right. And once they graduate, they will earn and they will repay. So if the New Zealand embassy is looking at the current repayment capacity, then a lot of students will get rejected because parents will not have own paper proof.
That is the biggest challenge in India, man, that I understand. But their own policy is how you can repay the loan with currently available income.
Okay.
Yeah. That is what their core criteria. But the major game changer is Immigration New Zealand has just recently, just a few days ago, they have removed certain banks. Like, I'll share you the bank list, like, SBI, Punjab National Banks, all these banks were there. If the student has received an educational loan from these listed banks, we don't assess the repayment capacity.
Okay.
Of course, it is assessed by case.
Got it. So now you take the loan from those banks,
yes.
Then your chances of visa increases because your repayment capacity is not being evaluated.
Evaluated,
right?
Yeah.
Let's say So I know people who take loan from NBFC even for New Zealand.
Yeah.
So how are they are managing the visa?
No, I mean straight away the application would be rejected.
No, let's say what I heard is they ask for the disbursement and keep in the account for a longer period of time. I don't know, even 6 months is what I heard.
Yeah.
So does that work? Let's say,
Aman, it's a chances of getting approval visa is less than 10%.
Achha, if I take a loan from New Zealand,
and you are approaching an NBFC, and you are asking the NBFCs to disburse the loan amount and put it in a savings account and maintain it for 3 months, again you are submitting whether visa, means the approval rate was very low.
Okay. So apart from EL, then what is the other way to show the...
And fixed deposits they can show.
I'll take the money from the NBFC and make an FD.
And again, you need to show the source then where you have received this money.
Achha.
You have to declare the source. There is a clear mention in the Immigration New Zealand portal. If your transaction history is showing more than 2,000 New Zealand dollars, you need to give an explanation.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
So then you need to have money.
Yeah.
Your own money in the account. Or you take an education loan with property.
Yes.
From the certified banks.
Yep.
If you are not taking from the certified banks, then they will check your repayment capacity even
100%.
today. And that's why the
20%
number.
Assessment was very, very tough.
Very tough.
We have seen many cases, the profile was very excellent, but just because of the repayment capacity, we doubt the applicant.
How do you do then business if 80% of your students' visa is getting rejected?
Because we are living in in Telangana and particularly Andhra Pradesh. They have a good flow of money, but they'll put all the money into their savings and in cash, but they don't maintain the papers. It's a really big challenge for us, Aman.
Right.
Really big challenge for us. They have an agriculture land.
Right.
Because agriculture land, these all public banks, national bank, they never, they will take it as a mortgage property or collateral security. This was the biggest challenge for us.
Okay. So now this number is improving, 20% number.
Yeah.
Do you think it will reach again 50, 60, 70%?
Hopefully.
Okay.
Hopefully. Now the government is actively working on, recruiting international students and retaining the talent. Yeah, hopefully I'm expecting for the next couple of years, New Zealand will open the borders for an international students.
You mentioned that New Zealand government has done few recent changes.
Yes.
One change you mentioned about this list of banks that they've released where you don't pay, where they are not checking the repayment capacity.
Yeah.
What are the other?
Of course, it's case by case. They have clearly mentioned that. But at least they have given that much of liberalized.
What are the other changes that they have done?
Apart from that, Immigration New Zealand has announced that they have increasing the work hour limit for international students.
Okay.
For decades. For decades, it used to be on 20 hours per week.
Okay.
Now they can go for 25 hours per week.
And how much do they get per hour?
It's a medium wage rate and 23.5 is only in New Zealand. Yeah.
Okay.
They can pay for it. It means that now the student can reduce the financial burden. They can earn a little bit more. It will reduce always the burden. And at the same time, they will get an opportunity to work in New Zealand. Yeah, to more. So this will value addition for an international student.
You mentioned some online online system adoption.
Okay. Yeah.
What was that?
Immigration New Zealand has just moved their complete immigration system into the new system. The new enhanced system, it is called it as ADAPT.
Okay.
So no more paper-based application is being accepted from the September 18th onwards. They have completely moved their base into the completely online mode.
Okay.
Now every application would be in an online, and it's been more efficient and more realistic approach and transparent approach, and more streamlined as well.
Got it.
So in this case, I recommend every student at least they have to submit their applications before 3 months of their course commencement date.
Got it. So, I understand New Zealand visa, getting New Zealand visa is one of the hardest thing, at least what I know of among all the countries as of today, and hopefully it gets better.
Yep.
But if I get visa, I go there, I study.
Yep.
What is the economy like?
Yeah.
The job perspective, what kind of jobs people are getting, what are the typical salaries that people get in New Zealand?
Yeah.
And what are the sentiments for immigrations? Like, for example, right now there is a lot of anti-immigration sentiments even in Australia, right? Which is a neighborhood of New Zealand itself. So, how is New Zealand doing from all that angle?
Yeah. Aman, New Zealand is always a student-friendly country.
Okay.
They are very welcoming. They are indigenous people called Maori people. And Maori people. Okay. So they are very welcoming and a proper English speaking country. And even work-life balance, New Zealand has rated third most country in the world. Oh. And when it comes to job prospects for an international students, there are major cities like Auckland, Wellington, Christchurch. These cities have predominantly offered number of part-time opportunities, job opportunities for the students, especially sectors like hospitality and retail. Manufacturing, they have ample of opportunities. So definitely they are going to be a good part-time availability over there. Even after the completion of the programs, if they can careers.gov.nz, there is a website. there is plenty of job opportunities available for an IT graduates, and especially for the construction, civil engineering. These have tremendous job requirements that is required by the Immigration New Zealand. So earlier we was mentioned that if a student level 7 goes for a level 7 degree,
Right.
the course should be on a green list.
Oh, yeah.
If
Right.
if he is eligible for a post-study work visa.
Right.
What the New Zealand did, they have listed some qualifications. They have placed in a green list. Okay. And if these green list is called as long-term shortage list.
Got it.
Got it, right? If any students has selected these program, they'll automatically they can extend for their visa. Even though they study level 7 degree, they can get 1 year of post-study work visa.
Got it.
Occupation specific.
Got it.
If a student selected for a graduate diploma in civil engineering, he will get 1 year of post-study work visa, even though he studied level 7 program.
Got it.
But occupation specific, he can work as an only of construction manager.
But what is the salaries like?
Salaries would be somewhere around 60,000. So 40,000 to 60,000 is a minimum in all predominant areas like in an IT, civil engineering, these hospitality sector. They have a tremendous job opportunities were there.
Got it. And usually students are going for what kind of courses?
All IT, commerce, civil engineering, these all life sciences. These are all the popular programs in New Zealand. It's a tourist-based it's a tourist-based country. Of course, the hospitality sector receives a high number of jobs. Apart from that, even IT and civil engineering holds the high number of job opportunities for students.
Got it. So the New Zealand as a country, it's a very small country, right?
Yes.
What's the population?
5 million.
5 million.
Yeah.
Okay, that's even lower
than half of the Hyderabad.
Half of Hyderabad. Okay.
Hyderabad population is 1/4 of the.
What is the policy on the dependent? Let's say if I'm going, and I got married to somebody, can she, come and work?
If the student is going on a master's visa, level 7 masters, dependent straight away he'll get work visa.
He will get work visa. What about his wife?
His wife is a principal applicant, right? Okay,
no, I'm saying as a student, I went abroad, New Zealand.
Yeah.
I completed my degree. Then I got a job.
Okay.
Then I got married. My wife is here in India. I want to take her with me.
Yeah, sure.
To New Zealand.
Yeah.
And in that case, will she be able to work?
Yes, of course. Yes. Straight away she will get work visa.
Work visa.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. What about my parents?
Parents, even these policy also they have recently moved it. Parents will get the long-term 10-year visa now.
10-year visa.
10-year visa.
So they can stay there for 10 years?
No.
US,
it's same like US. 6 months.
6 months. So 6 months you have to come back.
Yes.
Then you can go again.
Yes.
So even in, let's say within 6 months, let's say New Zealand से Australia जाके भी आप वापस आ जाओगे तो चलेगा.
हाँ, कोई बात.
That's not an issue.
That's not a problem.
Get one exit and one entry.
One exit and one entry, and you should be a permanent resident, not for all work visas holders and not.
अच्छा, PR के बाद
only PR.
You can get.
You should hold a PR to invite your parents.
Got it. Makes sense.
Yeah.
So right now, to which kind of students will you say that for you New Zealand is the right destination?
Blindly, I can say that civil engineers.
Okay.
Civil engineers, they have a fantastic
Why?
opportunities for
a lot of infrastructure work is going on.
Because a lot of infrastructure work is going on. Then, as per the recent statistics, only Auckland requires more than 70,000 homes required by the next 5 years.
Okay.
You just estimate in what about Wellington and what about Christchurch and all other prominent.
So civil engineers?
Civil engineers they can. Okay. And second one is hospitality.
Is civil engineering in the green list as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
And
civil engineering and hospitality and of course IT. Especially that international interdisciplinary courses like cybersecurity, data science, big data. These students definitely they can try for New Zealand.
Right.
They have the best infrastructure. I have visited some of the institutions last year, like Unitech and RI Institute of Technology and Lincoln University. They have such a tremendous infrastructure.
Great.
I have interviewed and I had a chance to interview with some of the students who are already doing research on particular subjects. The students has received 2 to 3 jobs. Now they are, they have to select which kind of a job that I have.
Got it. So, but let's say somebody who is doing mechanical, for them, New Zealand might not be the best
Of course, is there, but when
comparatively,
because New Zealand, there is no single of manufacturing unit was there. They're they're very core in terms of maintaining nature the proper way. So that is the reason.
Got it.
So
and what's the usual tuition fee?
$40,000, $35,000 to $50,000 depends on the course.
This is 2 year.
2 year, irrespective of the course duration. There are many courses.
$35,000 to $40,000. Okay.
Yeah.
So that means 20 lakhs.
20 to 30.
20 to 30 tuition fee, and then another 20 lakhs.
For another 10 lakhs.
Hey, for 2 year course, to another 20 lakhs. Na? Because
no, I'm saying entire course. I'm telling you the entire course fees. Yeah. That would be around 20 to 30 lakhs.
Achha, okay. 20 to 30 lakhs is what you need.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Now, I know we said that we'll discuss mostly about New Zealand, but let's say if a student comes today,
okay,
right, that I want to go abroad. So what should be the framework that, okay, for you, US is the right destination. For you, Australia is the right destination. For you, New Zealand is the right destination. How do the students, or how do you, because you are sending students to other, other from your firm, Transpacific, Transpacific Immigration Services, right? So you're sending to all the destination, but how do then you recommend the students?
Okay, if a student from, of course, a civil engineering background or hospitality students, I strongly recommend them to go for New Zealand, because of the career prospects they have.
Okay.
And even
civil and
hospitality.
Hospitality, New Zealand.
Okay. And at the same time, IT.
And IT.
Okay. And before we counsel and we assess the student interest first, how he wants to, because we will categorize the students in a 3 model framework. Why you want to go abroad. You just go and study and come back, or you want to go and settle, which category you belongs to.
Right.
Okay, so that we'll understand the complete interest of the students. How much finances that you can even though if you have an interest, finance is one of the critical aspects in New Zealand visa process.
Right.
So we'll assess the financials from the day one. If you have the proper IT returns and a proper bank statement, business registration certificate, then we'll ask him to recommend go for a New Zealand. Otherwise, it's a waste of time for a student, right? If his financial documents are not supporting to this.
Got it.
And English language requirement. Of course, it's an obvious factor. If you're going for a master's level, it's a 6.5 with nothing less than 6.
Got it. Makes sense. I think I have asked all the questions that I wanted to ask regarding New Zealand. And post our discussion today, I think I have got 2 clarity. One clarity is that if you are doing civil, hospitality, IT, New Zealand can be your home. You can go there, study, make a career out of it. Second is, if you are applying to New Zealand, the visa chances are low, and you should have a backup. You should apply to other destinations as per consultation from your whoever agent, consultant who is helping you out. Achha, last question before we finish this. Can students apply directly to the universities, or it has to be applied by an agent?
They don't recommend directly. Because
they don't recommend.
No.
Like Australia, you can't apply directly.
You can't apply directly.
Right? Australia has this rule that you have to come by an agent.
Yes.
Is it same?
New Zealand also same rule. Even though you received an offer letter, you have to submit your application through a certified agent.
Okay.
Offer letter mein kya to, whatever the agent name that you have, then you have to submit the application.
Got it.
That's it. No more agents. They should apply.
Got it.
And even the one more thing is they cannot change their university after their landing in New Zealand.
Oh,
they have a very strict policy on this. Because a student, they should very aware, before they're going to New Zealand. So they cannot simply update their visa status, because I have changed this university. No, you have to complete entire your student visa information from the beginning.
Got it.
Yeah.
So it seems like New Zealand only wants very genuine student who can come study, who can pay for their tuition, have all the financials in place, and coming through a verified agent, so that there is no monkey business around, come and don't go to college or change college, or apply for asylum or something like that. Great. Okay, I think Nagendra, thanks. I think I have learned a lot about New Zealand today, and I'm sure all the students and parents who are watching this must have learned a lot as well. I'm sure many people will reach you out. The only certified agent in entire AP Telangana. I'm sure people will be interested in getting in touch with you.
Yeah.
How do they reach out if they want to?
So we'll be available, in all the 3 locations in India. Okay. So we have a branch in Kerala, and we have one more office in Hyderabad as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So now they can visit our website. They can directly come to our offices.
Okay.
Because recent days New Zealand has become one of their favorite destinations just because of the 3 reasons.
Right.
Because they can pay after the visa. No need to pay a single rupee before the visa.
Got it.
And 3 years of post-study work visa. And spouse can accommodate, and directly they'll get a work visa.
Right.
So these 3 options, and at the same time it clears residency pathway and career opportunities that definitely push the New Zealand into the game.
Great. Thank you, Nagendra. Lovely catching up with you again. Thank you.
Thank you.